Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Danang Kusumardana. I'm from uh, University Islam Sultan Agung, from medical student. I'm just from Group 10 EMAP. So today we talk about randomized control trial text. Okay, di sini we have 25 checklist and we will identify the checklist. Okay, let's start. Begin. The title is Effectiveness of Health Coaching in Diabetes Control and Lifestyle Improvement. A random, oh yes, and the checklist first is a 1A, identification as a randomized trial in the title. Okay, is in there a randomized control trial. Okay. Next is 1B. 1B is a structure summary of trial design, method, result, and conclusion. 1B is in there. The study was carried out via a two-arm randomized control trial that includes 114 diabetic patients at a medical center in Taiwan. During the 6-month period, the intervention group had health coaching and usual care for 6 months, and the control group had usual care only. Until there, the study discovered a significant decrease in HbA1c and health diet improvement after the 6-month healthy coaching. Next is 2A, scientific background and explanation of rational. 1A is there. Diabetes is a chronic disease that causes numerous death and inflicting and heavy burden on the medical system worldwide. The World Health Organization or or WHO notes that with the global prevalence rate of diabetes among adults topping 8.5% now, the prevention and management of diabetes as well as control of its risk factor should be a priority for every country until the 2A is until their health. Coaching is a patient-centered approach to disease management that focus on patient decision and their actual behavior. And most of the health coaching studies have centered on one or more health behavior and patient self-efficacy. Okay, next is 3A. 3A is description of trial design, including allocation ratio. 3A is in there. Oh, sorry, I forgot to be. To be is a specific objective or hypothesis. To be is in there. The aim of this study was to enhance patient healthy diet and improve the indicator of diabetes, especially the value of HbA1c. Or hypothesis was the participant having the health coaching intervention would reduce the excess daily calorie intake, make healthy food choices, and keep their diet more in the line with the dietary recommendation in diabetes patients. Next is a 3A. 3A is a description of trial design, including allocation ratio. Okay, 3A is in there. The study involved a 6-month coaching intervention in a two-arm randomized control trial approved by the Institutional Review Board of Cathay General Hospital in Taiwan. Next is 3B. 3B, I didn't checklist. It was because I didn't find the text for 3B. So we next move to 4A. 4A is in there. Subject must be patient between 20 and 75 years old with type 2 diabetes for at least 1 year and HB of 7.0% or greater for the past 6 months. I forgot to mark this text. I'm sorry. This. Okay, we next to 7B. 7B is, sorry, for 7. For B. For B is a setting and location where the data were collected. For B is in the top. Participants were recruited among patients with diabetes treated at Cathay General Hospital in Taipei from October 2019 to February 2020. While data collection was from October 2019 to August 2020. While data collection was, sorry. Okay, next is a 5. The intervention for each group with sufficient detail to allow replication, including how and when they were actually administered. Okay, for 5 is in 5, 5 in there in the bottom. Patient in the intervention group had in a person coaching athlete at the outset, which was followed by monthly telephone coaching for a total of 6 months. Coaching was provided on a one-on-one basis by a professional health coach. At the first session, the coach will ask each participant to set an HbA1c goal and initial target for behavior change. In addition to focusing on healthy diet, other behavior related to diabetes self-management, such as physical activity, the medical adherence, and regular self-monitoring blood glucose can also be set. Next is to 6. 6, 6, 6A. 6A is in there. From HbA1c was measured via a blood test conducted during subject outpatient visit, usually in interval of 3 months until their diet according to the patient condition and blood sugar goals, such as reducing the intake of saturated fats and refined starch product and increasing vegetable intake per day. So we next to for a 6B, I didn't find a text. So we next jump for 7A. 7A is in 7A is checklist. 7A. Oh, size 7A. Oh, 7A. Oh, sorry. Mostly, I didn't find a text is 7A2, so we jump to 7B. So 7B is from this follow, uh, following our previous study for detecting 7.68% between group difference in HbA1c and standard deviation of 1.35 with a probability of a type 1 error of 1.15 and a power of 80%. Each group must have at least 50 participants until software for Windows. And next is A. A and B is in there in one text. So method used to generate the random allocation sequence, and 8B is type of randomization detail and of any restriction is in there. The text is in there. By an independent researcher randomly assigned them to the intervention group and the control group by using computer generated random number. Next to number 9 is a mechanism used to implement the random allocation sequence, describing any steps taken to conceal the sequence until intervention were assigned. 9 is a mechanism. The mechanism is in there. So the mechanism is first step is patient with eligible diabetes, screen from diabetes, have 131. So randomized setting and recruitment reviews to participant and including excluding for to 11 and baseline measure and to intervention group setting, control group setting, and the last step is analyze sample. We have a result is a intervention group is a n is 58 loss to follow up over three bound, and the control group is 56 loss to follow up over three bound. Next is 10. 10 who generated the random allocation sequence, who enrolled participant, and who assigned participant to intervention. 10 is in 10 is in there. 10 to physical recruited them individually during the regular outpatient visit. Patients in the intervention group were informed of the coaching program by a health coach, where the patient in the control group were informed of the pre-post question question survey. Okay, next is 11, 11A, 11A in the very close from number 10. Participant in a control group did not know that this was an interventional trial. Next is we jump to 12A because 11B I didn't find text, so we jump to 12B. Statistical method used to compare group for primary and secondary outcome. 12B is in there. Yes, in there. A chi-square test or t-test was employed to assess difference in demographic until we also test the person correlation between the difference of HbA1c level, daily calorie intake, and diet. Next is a 12B method for additional analysis, such as subgroup analysis and adjustable analysis. 12B in there. We use multiple regression to test the correlation between coaching intervention, change in eating behavior, and HbA1c within 6 months. Uh, we next 30. For each group, the number of participants who were randomly assigned received, received an intended treatment, and we are analyzed for the primary outcome. Okay. Uh, for 30, text A and B is in there in one text. 131 patients who were screened from the hospital database and invited by to PCCAN. 120 subjects were enrolled in the study, resulting in a recruitment rate of 91.6%. In total outcome measures were available for the 58 participants in the intervention group and 56 in a control group. And only 6 participants withdraw within 6 months. Okay. We're next to number 14. A. That's defining the period of recruitment and follow-up. 14 is in there. Yeah. 48. Between October 2019 and February 2020. It is for a dead stage. Okay. And for B is why the trial ended and was stopped. 14B is in I'm sorry. I make mistake to give 14B checklist. This was X mark, so I didn't find a text. So we jump for number 5. 50. A table showing baseline demographic and clinical characteristic for each group. 50 is in there. We adjustable the baseline HbA1c to reduce the detection bias. Since vegetable intake is not significant and each model, it is not included in the table here. In additional, because daily calorie intake is highly correlation with whole grains intake and fats and oil intakes, it is not classified as an independent variable. Okay. Next to number 60. 60 is in 60 in there. Uh, Mixed with number 30. So for 16 is for each group number of participants include the each analysis and wherever the analysis was by original assigned group is a 58 participant in the intervention group and 56 in the control group, and only 6 participants withdraw within 6 months. Okay. We next to number 78. For each primary and secondary outcome result for each group and the estimated effect size and its precision is in there. 7A and 7B is mixed to one text. I make this one text because this is very close at so 70 A and B is between October 2019 and August 2020. When the coaching intervention was carried out, the intervention group witnessed a significant decrease of 0.62% until ANCOVA test revealed that the two groups different significantly in HbA1c at 3 and 6 months until the fat and oil intake also had similar result until there. We next to number 20 because now number 80 and 90 is I didn't find a text, so we jump to a number 20. Trial limitation addressing source of potential bias in precision and, if relevant, multiply of analyze. 20 is in there. From limitation, first, the study was carried out in a period uh, by related the restriction until the reason why it is more conservative to only use HbA1c as the result indicator is mainly because that indicator is a more direct and stable indicator for diabetes blood glucose control compared to indicator such as fasting blood glucose, HDL, and LDL. Although, okay, next is 21. Generalization, eh, sorry, generalizability of the trial finding. 21 is in there, very close with number 20. So the text is the inclusion of other biochemical is until relate to health coaching in the future to further explore whether health coaches can counsel patients to change the intake of different types of fats and explore its impact on blood sugar. Next to a number 23, registration number and name of trial register. 23 is are in top of the file in there. The trial registration number was www.istrat.com. ID number is ISRCT and 141677990. Assessed date is 12 July 2019. It's based on a previous study of or with a similar intervention arrangement but different study design. Okay, next to where the full trial protocol can be assessed if available is for 24. 24 is in there from a conclusion. The study finds that health coaching may be effective, may to improve the HbA1c and dietary behavior of patients with type 2 diabetes. However, more quality health coaching studies are needed in Taiwan, and the introduce of health coaching to Taiwan's medical system is quite important. In addition, the integrated of health coaching service into Taiwan's medical system as also suggests. And the last number is a source of funding and the other support role of founders. Okay, is in there. The study has found by Ministry of okay, the sorry for I'm lagging in there. So 25 is source of funding and other support role of founders. Is the studies was funded by the Ministry of Science and Technology of Taiwan and Cathay General Hospital, and this is no conflict in now. The author declared no conflict of interest. So this is my identify for concept checklist. So this is from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.